you can still really get into these niche communities and figure out what is missing. And so you can go to that community and do a little bit of research, like, okay, what are people asking for? Like, what do they want? And then once you have that, you can like kind of build a solution for them and see if people would actually buy it. And so I guess the angle here is like, you have to be interested in the business side of, whatever industry you're in. And so if you're a fiction reader, like, you love fiction books, like if you just love reading fiction books, like, I don't think that's going to get you, like, you can't really start a business because you won't be noticing trends. But if you love reading fiction books and you genuinely have a passion for the business side of it, then I think you will see like the different angles of like, oh, what are people, what are they requesting? Like, what do they want? And so I think that's maybe kind of the way to look at it is like, everyone is interested in some kind of industry. Like people have hobbies, right? Like you can't not have hobbies unless you're like the most boring person in the world. But like looking at that hobby and seeing the business side of it, I think everyone can do that.